Hello, how are you viewers? Hope you're doing well. Now my today's topic how to install Ubuntu on your desktop Mac OS system on OS. So let's start. Uh, Firstly, we take some overview. Uh, in this tutorial, we will walk you through one of the following easiest way to try out Ubuntu desktop on a virtual machine. VirtualBox is a general purpose visualizer that is available across Linux, Macs, OS, and Windows. It is a great way to experience Ubuntu regardless of your current operating system. We will cover the fastest way to get started with VirtualBox, followed by some more advanced configuration options. So you have to be noted, this is a tutorial. We will also work for other distribution, so try it out with some of the Ubuntu flavor as well. What you will learn: how to install and configure VirtualBox, how to import an Ubuntu image, how to run a virtual instance of Ubuntu desktop, for the configuration options. What you will need: a PC with internet, download an Ubuntu image. You can download an Ubuntu image here in this software. So make sure to save it to a memorable location on your PC. For this tutorial, we will use the Ubuntu 20.04 LTS release. So there is a picture for downloading Ubuntu desktop. Download and install VirtualBox. On duration almost 5 minutes. On Mac OS or Windows, you can download VirtualBox from the download page there. The page also include instructions to download VirtualBox for Linux. However, on Ubuntu, you can find VirtualBox by simple searching for it in the Ubuntu software app. Once you have completed the installation, go ahead and run VirtualBox. Create a new virtual machine. Click new to create a new virtual machine. Fill in the appropriate detail like a name, machine folder, type, and version. On the next screen, you will be able to select the amount of RAM from your main PC that the virtual machine will access. Be sure to remain side the green bar to ensure you can continue to work outside of the VM whilst it's running. You have to note it that if you select expert mode, you will be given the option to set all of these parameters in one go, useful for future setups. It's fine to use the default setting for now. After that, you can select how much of your hard disk your VM will use. So you set the parameters. You select how much your hard disk will be used. Then the type of the hard disk depend on whether you use VirtualBox with other VM softwares. For now, we can leave this as a VDI, VirtualBox disk image. Then you can choose whether the hard disk is dynamically allocated up to the limit will set on the next screen. Fill up as the VM requested. Otherwise, we can tell it to allocate the full amount of memory right from the start. This will improve performance but may take up unnecessary space. We will leave it as dynamical allocate for this tutorial. Storage on a physical hard disk. Finally, you can set the maximum amount of memory your VM can access, file allocation and size, MB size, hard disk MB size. After the click create to initialize the machine. So after create, click the to initialize the machine. So there is the setup of Ubuntu. So hope you understand this setup, how to install in your PC, your MacBook, your OS system, and it will helpful to you. very helpful to you. So viewers, if you like my video or you understand the things which I am try to describe you, so kindly motivate me and give some comment on it, and press the black bell icon. Take care.